Hello, my name is Rosaini. I'll be talking about the transport route calculation, which determines the shuttle tanker requirement and transport route to reassess that the Fpso storage capacity and production rates and shuttle tankers operate for the oil field. So the data required will be the offloading duration by the Fpso, offloading duration by shuttle tanker, storage of Fpso and shuttle tanker, estimated distance from shore facilities to Fpso location, and also to assume a suitable operational shuttle tanker speed. This is what a typical Fpso looks like. So the accommodation area are affected by the production area. The accommodation area are normally at the aft of the ship when it's a ship conversion. It allows optimal position of turret. Also acts as a safe zone, which minimize flare radiation effects. New Fpso usually the accommodation will be at the forward. The downside of it might be uncomfortable for crews to live on board, as it has more effect during rough weather. For the helipad this year is for crews to sign in and off the Fpso, as the Fpso stays out at sea and has no direct contact to any shore facilities, hence a helipad is required. So offloading is usually done on the ship side or to the front. I will get to that later. So on the top side production, usually there are a few processes, which include the oil and gas separation, gas compression and treatment, water treatment disposal, water injection, gas export and re-injection, black oil processing, and chemical injection and distribution. So like I said, for the offloading, usually the offloading facilities, and the reason for it is by direct ship transfer, which is a ship-to-ship transfer, brought onshore facility where the product goes through another set of separation and treatment process similar to the FPSO. So the arrangement of the offloading would be shuttle tankers, which are very common, the CALM, SALM, internal and external turret, offloading risers to pipeline, floating hose arrangement, and also stern offloading. This is what you will normally see on a subsea system. Similar to this. As for the mooring, an FPSO is a ship which is moored permanently for a long period of time out in the open sea. So stress imposed on the hull need to be minimized. So ship have to survive the sea condition for the life of the project. Weather vaning is natural effect which minimizes stresses and also allow the ship to align itself with the wind, waves and current. Turret mooring also allows weather vaning. Turret mooring system allow the vessel to be at a geostationary position, which allows the vessel to weather vane and provide conduit for fluid transfer. So there's two types of mooring: spread mooring and turret mooring. As for the riser, is similar to pipeline or flow line. Risers transport produce hydrocarbons as well as production materials such as injection fluid, control fluids and gas leak. Usually insulated to withstand the seafloor temperature. The risers can be either rigid or flexible. So the types of risers are attached risers, full tube risers, steel catenary risers, top tension risers, riser tower, flexible risers, and also drilling riser.